Hi, I'm Jackie from Fellow in Los Angeles.
And I'm Tobias, brand ambassador with Lyre's non-alcoholic spirits. And today we're taking a cocktail request, so let's hear it. Oh, there you go. Hello. Sure, we can do a jungle bird.
A jungle bird, coming right up. First, we're going to take the Lyre's dark cane spirit.
And that's basically a dark rum expression. You get the pepperberry on the back, it's delicious, and plenty of cocktails you can make with that.
Let's go 1 ounce. Next, my favorite, the Lyre's Italian orange.
Basically a classic Italian aperitivo.
We're gonna go 1.5 ounces.
So vibrant.
It's beautiful. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup right into your shaker tin, as well as 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. And to finish, 1.5 ounces pineapple juice. Give that a quick little shake in your tin. Then we're gonna strain this into our old-fashioned glass. Garnish with a lemon wheel with a Luxardo cherry. And Tobias, can you give that mint a little smack for me?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Releasing
job.
some of the essence. There you go. We got our non-alcoholic jungle bird.
Lovely. So excited about this. For this recipe and more, visit lyres.com.